Your Italian Chat Lesson Roadmap: 5 Steps to Conversational Mastery. Italian Chat is a comprehensive Italian conversation course that combines the power of AI with meticulously designed lessons. Each activity is crafted to build your skills from the ground up, preparing you for real-world Italian conversations. Let's walk through each activity in an Italian Chat lesson, showing you how to maximize the learning potential of your practice sessions. 1. Read and listen. Immerse yourself in authentic Italian. Start your lesson by diving into a real-world Italian dialogue. Here's how to make the most of this foundational activity. Listen at full speed to feel the natural Italian rhythm and intonation. Switch to slow mode to catch every word and nuance. Use the line-by-line feature to practice your pronunciation, comparing your speech to the native audio. Read the Italian and English translations side by side to boost your comprehension. Pro tip: don't just passively listen. Try to mimic the speaker's intonation and rhythm. It's your first step to sounding like a true Italian. 2. Translation. Think on your feet in Italian. Next, challenge yourself with our interactive translation exercise. Listen to the English phrase and try to translate it into Italian before the timer runs out. Use the Reveal Answer button to check your translation and hear the correct Italian version. Repeat the Italian phrase aloud to reinforce proper pronunciation. Remember, the goal isn't perfect translation, but quick thinking in Italian. 3. Pronunciation. Polish your Italian accent. Here's where Italian Chat's AI truly shines. Get ready for personalized pronunciation feedback. Record yourself speaking the Italian phrase. Receive instant AI feedback on your accuracy, fluency, and completeness. Focus on problem areas highlighted by the AI. Practice repeatedly, watching your scores improve over time. 4. Quiz. Test your Italian mastery. Time to put your newfound knowledge to the test. Answer various question types to reinforce vocabulary, grammar, and comprehension. Review your answers to identify areas needing more practice. Retake the quiz if needed. There's no shame in extra practice. 5. Live chat simulation. Put it all together. The grand finale of your lesson, a chance to apply everything you've learned in a simulated real-world conversation. Engage in a dynamic dialogue by listening and filling in the blanks. Use context clues to navigate unfamiliar words or phrases. Repeat the phrases you hear to hone your speaking skills in context. Build confidence in a low-pressure, guided environment. This is where the magic happens. You're not just learning Italian, you're using it. Beyond the lesson, your 24/7 Italian conversation partner. Once you've completed a lesson, don't stop there. Remember, Italian Chat's AI tutor is always ready to chat. Use it to review lesson content in a more free-form setting, practice specific scenarios, ordering at a restaurant, asking for directions, etc. Challenge yourself with longer, more complex conversations. Remember, consistency is key. Even just 10 minutes a day with Italian Chat can lead to remarkable progress. So, what are you waiting for? Dive into your next lesson and watch your Italian skills soar. Happy learning!